In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timetable on Notion for 2025. A full tutorial in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your schedule and organize tasks efficiently, Notion is an incredible tool that offers endless possibilities for customization. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to set up your own timetable. To begin, head over to the Notion homepage. Once there, you'll see options to either sign up or log in. If you already have an account, click on Log In to enter your workspace. For newcomers, go through the quick sign-up process to get your account ready. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Notion home. This is your control center for creating, accessing, and managing all of your ongoing projects and notes. Now, within your Notion home, locate and click on the desired page where you want to create your timetable. This could be a new page or an existing one where you manage related activities. It's crucial to choose a relevant section to keep your workspace neat and orderly. Having arrived at the correct page, it's time to add the timetable. Simply type in Table into the page to bring up the table options. This is a great shortcut for quickly enhancing your Notion page with various types of tables and databases. When the menu pops up, select Table View. This option will let you create a structured, tabular format, ideal for organizing a timetable. It provides a grid layout where you can easily input data such as classes, meetings, or appointments, making it simple to visualize your schedule. After setting up your table view, the next step is to customize it according to your specific needs. Click on Add Property to introduce additional columns to your timetable. Here, you can define various categories such as date, time, activity, and notes. Tailoring these properties ensures that your timetable caters precisely to your planning requirements. As you add properties, remember that Notion allows them to be of various types, whether text, date, checkbox, or a selection. You might find it useful to adjust these settings according to the nature of the information you wish to track. For example, using a date property for deadlines or a checkbox for tasks can add another layer of organization. There you have it. Your timetable is set up and ready to use. With this Notion tool, you're now equipped to manage and visualize your schedule effortlessly. Remember, the key is to periodically update your timetable to keep it aligned with your current projects and commitments. Through continuous customization, Notion will not only help you keep track of your time, but also enhance your productivity in the long run. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and I hope you find creating your timetable in Notion to be a straightforward and rewarding experience.